How to use Klarna on Amazon. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to set up your Klarna account to your Amazon store. The first thing that we need to do is to log in to your account or to sign up if you don't have an account on Klarna yet. Since I don't have Klarna in my country yet, I will just going to show you on how to do this step by step. You can pay in 4 small payments at Amazon without breaking your budget. When you split your purchase into 4 smaller payments with Klarna, you can get the application to your mobile, or you can also visit the store on Amazon. How to use Klarna at Amazon. First is you need to download the Klarna app and search for Amazon. Put Amazon on the home screen and start adding items to your cart. And then second would be go to your shopping cart, and once you've added everything to your cart, go to checkout page and tap the pay with K button at the bottom of the app screen. Lastly, pay in 4. Take control of your budget and use Klarna to split the cost of your purchase into 4 smaller interest-free payments that is paid every 2 weeks. There are no interest, just Klarna. It gives you the power to shop what you want and when you want, with added time and flexibility to pay for it. When you split the cost of your purchase into 4 smaller payments with Klarna, you will never pay any interest. It works anywhere online and in-store with selected retailers using the Klarna app. Klarna also offers attractive buy now, pay later financing for its customers, and it charges no interest or fees on its pay in 4 loans as long as all payments are made on time. Plus, it offers other payment options if you need more time to pay your balance in full. So that is it. That's how easy using Klarna on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.